Teen Forecast, News 18. Weather from where you live.
Well, hello, Lafayette Christian School. They were at the station today, had a tour. We showed them the garden. We talked about our Doppler radar here. Great group of students, great question, and boy, I had a great time with them. The 5th grade class of Mrs. Graves on this date in weather history. Back in May 1st of 1838, pioneers talked about this a lot. A large tornado passed through what's called Indian Prairie. And it was very similar to the Palm Sunday 1965 track, and it was a prairie between Groomsville, Rushville, and Forest in Clinton County, and reportedly went all the way through the northern part of Clinton County, knocking a lot of trees down in its path once it got out of that prairie area near Groomsville. So it's an active time of year. We've got some showers and storms in the forecast, and perhaps an isolated severe threat. Not so tonight, 81 at 8. We'll drop down to 68 by midnight, and finally by 6 a.m., 61 degrees, another warm one. The Omega block is starting to take shape. There's the upper low spinning down here near the Gulf Coast. There's a strong cold front. There's a low here too. Notice how the clouds are moving clockwise here in eastern Canada. That's that very hot upper ridge starting to take shape. So here's the big upper ridge with the sunny, hot weather in Canada and in New England. And there's the upper low. And by tomorrow, this is going to be the setup. Upper low will be stuck here in Missouri. And there's the big Omega block that's going to block this thing, let it sit there in Missouri, and bring us a few scattered showers and storms tomorrow. Perhaps a little more widespread scattered storm action Friday, and then a band of more widespread rainfall Saturday morning to Saturday afternoon. But even after that, even Sunday, Monday into Tuesday, a few showers will still hang around. Tonight, after lows right around 61. Tomorrow, warm, especially in our eastern counties. Low 80s there, but still 79 at Lafayette, 79 Morocco, and 77 at Covington. Even on Friday, 74 Lafayette, 74 Remington, and it's still 78 at Rochester. On Futurecast, again, we're fine tonight, but notice some clouds coming in from the south, and this is tomorrow. Notice a few little spotty showers and a couple thunderstorms will pop up in the heating of the day. I cannot 100% rule out an isolated little severe storm with a hail and wind threat. And then a couple showers tomorrow night. And even on Friday, even though Futurecast doesn't indicate this, there will be some scattered showers and storms again, kind of pivoting up from the south and the southeast. This is Friday afternoon. Coverage on Friday running about 40% as our low sits here, and that's going to be the pattern for a while. Isolated severe storm or two Thursday, perhaps Friday, but the better chance is staying just to our southwest as the block takes over. With the cold weather west of here with snow, we're going to stay on the east side of this, so it'll stay fairly mild here, but eventually the low will pull away. We've got one cool day, and then it warms up next week with time. 74 Friday, then over the weekend, that band of rain Saturday, then a scattering of showers Sunday, Monday, even into Tuesday. Tuesday will be the coolest day, 59, 73 Wednesday, and 80s by later next week.
Chad, thank you.
Sure.
Well, just ahead, adding arts and crafts, fresh food, and other items to warm weather.